Hello everyone, today I will show you how to convert PDF to high quality JPEG images using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file and select Tools option. Now select an Export PDF and select an image and the image is selected. Click the setting option. Now select a grayscale high quality color option. Select high quality and baseline standard. And this is resolution option. You can select top high quality. I'll choose this 1200 and select OK. Finally select export and select your save folder, save, and see this our video file now converted into high quality and resolution JPEG image. Wait few seconds and see this. Properties is PNG, JPG, as details. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comments.